In this video, we'll show you how you can create expanding blocks in Brikit Theme Press. Expanding blocks are a great way to help users digest large amounts of information by revealing content when they're ready for it. There are two ways to create expanding blocks. First, we'll show you how you can collapse a block by default and have it expand upon clicking on it. Second, we'll show you how you can connect two blocks and clicking on one will expand the other. To collapse or expand a block upon clicking on it, simply open the Theme Press Designer and locate the block in the Page tab. Now locate the column in which the block is located and set the tab block setting to expanders. Now all blocks in this column will expand and collapse when you click on them. If there are blocks in the column which should behave normally, just set them to never tabbed. By default, the block will now be called tab 1, 2, 3, and so on. You can create a custom prompt by naming each block. The styling of the expanding blocks can be configured in the Theme tab under Expander tabs. And finally, you can configure whether a block should be collapsed or expanded by default, and what the behavior on desktop versus mobile should be. If instead you would like to connect two blocks and expand or collapse one block upon clicking the other, regardless of whether or not they're in the same column, you can work with CSS classes to accomplish this effect. In the triggering block, use the block link macro and add the classes block expand, block toggle to the HTML element parameter. In the block that should expand or collapse upon clicking on the block link, ensure that the CSS class name in the designer references the class block expand. There you have it. Two quick ways to use expanding blocks to expose situational or targeted information. For more instruction, please feel free to visit our documentation or email us at solutions@brikit.com.